Hello guys, welcome to Online Money Minds. I am Amosoft, and today I'm going to be showing you a video that can give you just a little bit idea on how you can make your own analysis using these simple tools that I'm going to be showing you today. And please, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to the channel, like, share, and also turn on the notification button so that when we drop a new video you will get notified. And please, for our returning subscribers, if you find value in this video that will drop here every single day, please also share our videos to your friends and family. Do not be stingy. Now, what we're going to be doing today is going to be a very simple instructional video on how a newbie or somebody that is actually new to the crypto market or the financial market or trading generally can identify when to buy and when to sell. And I want to warn you, please, that this is not a financial video, this is not a professional video. I don't consider myself a professional trader. I'm only a regular guy online trying to make money and also showing others how to do the same thing so that they too can be independent in their trading. So what we are going to be doing today is that we are going to be using the BTC, the SLP charts to be for our demonstration, because I found out that in the Royal Q community and recently SLP has been gaining a lot of attention and people actually want to know how to trade it. So we're going to be using it as an example, and also know that you can also apply this method to other coins. All you need to do is for you to use your common sense, use your strategy, be logical in your thinking, and you will get results. Okay, and please note that this is just a video that is meant for beginners. This is not for professionals, but those that just want to get started in the trading world. So what we'll have to do is that I'm going to be using two tools, which is the RSI and the volume. Now, these two indicators or tools are very simple indicators that even a newbie that is just joining the crypto market today can actually make use of. So the website I am currently is a website we call TradingView. To get there, all you need to do is type in TradingView.com, tradingview.com, then it will take you to the website. All right, all you need to do, as you can see, this is my account. All you need to do is for you to search for the coin you want to do your analysis on. It might be Bitcoin. Okay, you can type in Bitcoin, BTC. Then, since we are using Binance, we will look for, okay, this is Binance right here. You can look for Binance, then it will take us to Bitcoin under Binance right here. Then you can go to the charts. If you go to the charts, you're going to see something like this. Okay, but for the sake of this video, we will not be using BTC, we'll be using SLP. Okay, so if you want to change this SLP to BTC, you can easily do it right here. Okay, but we'll be using SLP. Now let's head over to the demonstration for today. Okay, so as you can see, this is an empty chart. There is no indicator, there is no volume or whatever. So, and we are using a 5-minute chart under a daily time frame. Now the reason we are doing this is because, you know, trading in the Royal Q community is mainly a short-term thing. You know, you put in your trade, you want the profit in the next 2 hours and the next 1 hour, so you need to get in, you know, you need to make your charts look very comfortable for you to get the actual entry points. All right, so we are using a 5-minute chart and 1 day time frame. Now if you need something larger, something bigger, or if you want to go for a long trade, all you need to do is for you to change this 5 minutes right here to 1 hour. Now let's go and pick our indicators. So if you want to pick your indicators, all you need to do is go to indicators, you type in RSI. RSI stands for relative strength index. So once you select it, remember I said we're going to be using two indicators. We're also going to be using volume. Now mind you, they will see a lot of volume, but we are looking for this one which is just the basic volume. All right, so as you can see right here, we have the volume we have the RSI. Now if you want to read more about RSI, you can go to Google, just type RSI, you see it, relative strength index. You can read more information about it. Here it says the relative strength index is a technical indicator used in the analysis of financial markets. It is intended to chart the current and historical trends. So what it actually does is that it measures the market movement and detects the possible next move, okay, based on previous price behaviors. Okay, so it is basically a kind of accumulative calculation. Okay, professionals will understand what I'm trying to say, but it is a very simple tool that anyone can use. Now let's head over to our charts. Right here, I want us to start with the RSI, on how to use the RSI to know when to buy and also when to exit a particular trade. Now if you look at something right here, this place right here, all right, you will notice something, that this RSI normally moves, you know, sideways. Sometimes it comes below this line, sometimes it goes above this line, as you can see right here, and slightly here. Now these two levels, RSI is actually measured from 0 to up to 80, all right, but the key levels we normally look up to is this one in between, this filled in color right here. This level is level 70, all right, here is 30. Now once the RSI is trading or trending upwards and it goes above this 70, this line 70, I'm trying to be as simple as I'm trying to sound as simple as I can, so that newbie will understand what I'm trying to say. Okay, I don't want to be too technical, so that's why I am kind of, you know, using a layman's language so that everybody can understand what I'm trying to say, right? So if this RSI movement goes a little bit above 70, that's this uptrend here, then there's every tendency that the price of that coin is going to fall from that particular point. Now let's look at what's happened here. Now when the RSI moved from this place up to this place and crossed this line 70, we see that the price of SRP fell. All right, you see that the price of SLP fell, meaning that it is overbought. Each time the price, each time the RSI goes above 70, it means that that particular coin is being overbought at that particular point in time. Overbought means that people are buying it a lot. So there's every tendency that at this point, when it's overbought, most people will want to sell, you know, to take profits. And you know, the way the crypto market works is the more you buy, the higher the price will go. Now once you start selling, the price starts coming down. Let's say we have 100 traders, okay, if 70 people are buying, the price will keep going up. If 30 are selling, the price, it won't affect the price. But if 70 are selling, okay, then 30 are buying, definitely the price will start going down. So when a coin is overbought above the 70 level in RSI, it simply means that there is tendency that people want to sell and take profit. Then by then you can now know that, okay, this is the best time to exit a trade. Okay, now the best time to enter a trade using the RSI is below this place, below the 30. This is the 30 level. Now if the RSI drop down to this place and crosses the level, and you notice that, as you can see right here, and you notice that there's a sharp movement upward, then simply means that it wants to bounce back. As you can see in the case of this place right here, when the RSI touched and started moving upwards, we can see that the price of SLP went down a little bit, then started moving upwards again. We can also see that right here, okay, it touched the line. Okay, this area actually touched the line, and when it started moving upward, the price of SLP to started moving upward. So this is basically how to use RSI to determine when a coin is about to pump up and when a coin is about to dump down. Now using the volume, you have to understand that sometimes, let me give you an example. You see, like this place now, the RSI touched below 30, all right, pumped, but we can see that the effect here was not much. All right, this line, there was no sharp drop and sharp upward, sharp movement upward. You do know why? Because the volume here was very low. So less activities, less buying and selling was happening here. That was why the RSI didn't determine, you know, the sharp. Because if we were to follow just the RSI, you see that the price will come down to this side, then go up. But since there was no much volume, this signal here with the RSI will somehow, to an extent, you know, be invalidated. So that is where the volume now comes in. Now if you watch here that the RSI came below 30 and moved upwards, this definitely significantly affected the price. Now this is the reason why it's affected, because we had a huge amount of buying and selling here. That's the volume. As you can also see right here, it touched 30, all right, it moved upward, but notice that we didn't have so much of that upward. If we were to have so much volume here, this downwards will have a sharp rise this way. All right, so that is basically how to use the volume and the RSI to determine when to buy a coin and when to sell a coin. And please, whenever the RSI is inside this bracket, it is not always a sure call. If you're not a professional, you will need more tools and you need more indicators to actually know when to buy if the RSI is in the middle. As you can see, currently the RSI is somewhere around 50.35, and this price movements right here is yet to be decided, because we don't know if it's going to using the RSI and the volume. We don't know yet if this price is going to come down or if it's going to go up. Unless this RSI comes below 30, then the price might have retraced a little bit, then we'll know that okay, from here is a moonshot. So basically this is how you can do your analysis. Please, the reason why I didn't use mobile phone for this was that mobile phone can't actually give me the settings that I will need to explain simple technical analysis for you. Okay, so please, if you are watching this video, all you need to do right now is to go over to TradingView.com and you can sign up, and I will drop the link below this video, and you can sign up and also have access to such charts on your mobile devices. Thank you very much, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you find value in the video that I drop. I'm also going to be uploading more videos on how you can do more technical analysis with more tools, with more indicators. Do have a lovely day and stay blessed. Thank you.